Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and here's the second click ceiling fan with lock kit, as you can see. The capacitor in this one's a lot, well, not a lot, but it's a bit better than the other click that I filmed. But, for some reason, this one wobbles a bit more than the other one, even though I still have, and even though the Casablanca blades are on it, these are the same ones that were on the other click fans. I'm not sure why this one wobbles more, a bit more than the other one. But yeah, these do not come with any light shades. I think I already mentioned that in the last video. But yeah, they did come with light bulbs. This one had a big LED bulb. I still have it. I've just put it somewhere which I can't find it, which is great. But anyway, I'm gonna put it on low. And I still have it on a Martech 4 Seasons controller, 3-speed. This one doesn't, well, this one does hum, but it hums pretty quiet. It's not as loud like the other one. The other one was like pretty loud. This one's a lot quieter. Has a nice low speed. Okay, now we move on to medium. Okay, there's medium, now we move on to high speed. And there's the wobble. I'm not sure, yeah, so I'm not sure why it wobbles more, even though it has the same blades on, like the last one had. So, and as you can see, it spins a bit faster than the other one. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, I don't like when I turn off the controller, it makes like an arc sound. I don't really like that. I'm not sure if that's normal for that. Yeah, I can't speak today. I'm not sure if that is normal for that type of controller, but yeah. The bearings in this one's also pretty good too. So tomorrow I'll film the other two clicks as well. Alright, now 0 to high. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.